We're looking at the Japanese verb to begin in this video tutorial. Something begins or something starts. This is what the kanji looks like, and it's made up of two clear parts. On the left-hand side, we have onna or female, and on the right-hand side, we have the element, which is actually a kanji in its own right, and it means a platform or a stand. Let's look at the stroke order now. Originally a pictograph of a kneeling woman, I used the following mnemonic to help me remember the stroke order and shape of the female element on the left-hand side of this kanji. The first stroke is the left hip. The second stroke is the right hip. And the third stroke are the arms going across. Now on the right-hand side of this is the element, which is the exact same shape as the kanji dai, meaning a platform or a stand. But interestingly, it's also the first kanji of the word daidokoro, meaning kitchen. The stroke order is to the top bit first stroke, second stroke. Underneath you have the same shape as a mouth, and put them together. It means platform or stand, but it also is the first character for kitchen. So we can imagine that it all begins with a woman in the kitchen. Here are the Japanese verbs, hajimarimasu, and the plain form, hajimaru. Hajimarimasu, to begin or to start, and hajimaru in the plain form. And a typical sentence with this verb would be 学校は9時に始まります。学校は9時に始まります。School starts at 9 o'clock.